It's amazing how many people do so well with how you handle your money from January through October, and then you commit bill-a-side. That's when you allow the Christmas shopping season to rip your budget apart. And it's because maybe the rest of the year we don't spend that much time in stores. But when we get closer and closer to Christmas, we're out there more and more. It becomes almost recreational when we're shopping, spending money. And one thing you got to know, that discipline that breaks down in November and December, it's not even as much buying things for other people. It's once we're out there and we see all the sale signs everywhere and the frenzy online clicking away, we start buying things for ourselves too. So I know this is no fun to think about, but I don't want you to have the January budget hangover. So I'd like you to come up with a plan. How much money can you afford to spend through the Christmas shopping season on yourself and on others? And then actually come up with that number and track it. So when you buy something for someone on your Christmas list, it's got to be subtracted from that overall budget. You spend money on yourself, well, you might have to cut somebody off your list. But stick to that budget, because otherwise you're going to pay for it. And I mean, you're going to pay for it come January. I don't want that for you. If you can come up with a total amount, what can you afford? $300 over the Christmas season, $3,000, $800, whatever it is, stick to it. Even if you need to have like an app on your phone that you track your spending, or carry around a piece of paper, keep track and stick to it, and you'll be happy. That'll be a Christmas gift for you.